In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a heat map in Tableau. A heat map is a powerful way to show intensity at a glance, using color to highlight patterns, outliers, and areas that need attention. We'll start in your Tableau site and move from a blank workspace to a color-encoded view you can share with your team. From the home screen, open your content area by clicking Explore. This takes you to where you can create and organize new work. Choose New, then select Workbook to start building a fresh analysis. A workbook is where your sheets, dashboards, and data live together, so it's the right place to begin. Next, connect your data. In the Data Connection panel, choose Files, then click Upload from Computer. Select the file you want to analyze. CSV and Excel are common choices. And confirm. If your file has clear headers and consistent data types, Tableau will recognize fields automatically, which makes visualization smoother. When the upload is ready, click Publish Now to make the data available in your environment. Give your resource a clear, descriptive name so it's easy to find later, and then click Publish to confirm. You'll land in the authoring interface on a new sheet, ready to build. Now let's turn the data into a heat map style visualization. Open the Show Me panel to see Tableau's recommended chart types based on the fields you select. If some options are grayed out, it usually means you need to select at least one dimension and one measure in the data pane. With your fields selected, choose the Symbol Map option. This is a quick template that applies color to marks to express magnitude, which aligns with the core idea of a heat map, using color intensity to communicate values. To accelerate setup, click Choose for Me. Tableau will automatically place relevant dimensions and measures onto rows, columns, and the marks card. This jumpstarts the layout and applies sensible defaults so you can focus on refinement rather than building everything from scratch. From here, a few quick adjustments can elevate the result. Consider setting a sequential or diverging color palette on the color shelf so high and low values are immediately obvious. If your data represents categories across two axes, using square marks and tightening the cell spacing can create a classic grid-style heat map. For geographic data, color intensity on the symbol map highlights hot and cold spots effectively. You can also add labels for context and apply filters to narrow the view to the most relevant slice of data. That's it. Your heat map is ready to explore and share. Save your workbook and publish when you're satisfied, and your audience will see the same color-driven insights you do.